Hi friends, your business websites always needs authenticated and conversion centric traffic, regular traffic and really more and more traffic at your website. As we know, most of the traffic at our business website comes from search engine results. You need wonderful content at your website that is related to your services, along with a good quality, at least one on page SEO for your website to get optimum and relevant traffic at your website. But how you can decide you are getting adequate traffic or relevant traffic, or how much pages at your website is correctly ranked at search engine? It is a very important concern for optimization process for websites. So at iCreate, we used to provide multiple services along with the conversion rate optimization. So this is another website that we created in the last video. This is a wonderful website and it has all the pages in ready to use mode, so you can watch the specific video on this theme. But in this video I'm going to tell you a simple solution, very effective solution through which you can really check how much pages are ranked among top 100 at search engines. So it is, again I am repeating, it is really very important to have a good rank and good page ranks, good traffic at your website if you really want to have more and more business through your website and the digital activities. You might have watched the complete video available on this channel on the complete WordPress SEO practical tutorial in 7 days. So this is the complete content of WordPress SEO that you can watch specifically on this channel. So all these topics are going to be covered, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel and you are getting benefited from the videos coming on this channel regularly, and you are selecting good themes, plugins and resources for your WordPress website as well. So I'm going to show you a very simple and effective solution in this video through which you can really check about the ranking status of your web pages, at least for home page or any specific page. Like you might have service pages, multiple pages at your website, project pages. So which pages are being ranked top at your website? It is really important to understand for going forward in optimization or SEO activities. I always used to say there is a plugin for every need that you actually want for your WordPress website, or even for your website, business website, or whatever you can say. So again, I'm going to show you a plugin through which you can really check the ranking of your web pages at Google and other search engines as well. Basically Google. So we have this wonderful plugin called Rankie, and it is a WordPress rank tracker plugin. Yes, it is available at codecanyon.net through the video description link. You have to follow the video description link to get this plugin. What this plugin brings for our WordPress website. Rankie is a WordPress rank tracker, and it is a rank checker plugin that will help you track WordPress ranking on Google, keeping a close eye on each keyword position. So this course also includes how to select specific keywords, top keywords for your business, and how you can target those keywords for promotion activities. So deciding the top 10 to 20 focus keyword for your brand website. This is a topic, in fact, that is included in the complete SEO course. There a specific video you can watch. And once we decide through which keyword we have to make rank, it is a regular practice to check those keywords where we are ranked, where my website is ranked, and how much ranking is getting improved through various activities. So this is the plugin that you can grab or buy. You have to buy through the video description link. And just in case if you need any support in installation and all, we are here. So I'm going to show you the backend of this installation. This is the ranking dashboard, and I'll show you first of all the setting of this keyword. In the setting, you have to do basic things like position locating method. Google directly in top 100. This is going to give you most accurate result. Choose the method the plugin will use to get rank position for your keyword. So you can choose any of these two methods. Either you can Google custom search API, or you can Google and choose the Google directly in top 100. So it is recommended to have this Google directly. Google domain. So like if you are promoting your website throughout the world, you can keep it google.com. But if, just in case, if you are promoting and willing to have rank of your website in a specific country, like if you are promoting your website and services in India, you can specifically select the Google your country extension, like willing to search google.co.in. So if I want to check the results, the keyword result ranks in India, so I have to select google.co.in. Accordingly, you can select for your country. And even if you are willing to search from a specific location, you can put the latitude and longitude, and you can watch this tutorial how you can get the values for this custom locations and all. And the next setting gives you a privilege to update the interval for each keyword. Like if you want to check the keyword on daily basis, 3 days, up to 720 keywords, 4 days, I don't know, whatever you want to select. So all these selections are available. The plugin updates a single keyword in each 6 minutes. So for daily update, keyword rank will be updated daily, and the plugin can update up to 240 keywords. So it is totally up to you how you want to use this plugin, how you want to check the rankings for the specific keywords. And keyword search, research Google. So it should be google.com, or again, you can select here google.co.in depending upon your requirement. Keyword research language. So you have to type A to Z if your website is in English. Similarly, if your website in another language, you can type the letters here. And further, you can select the language of your website. So whatever may be the language. So like if it is Tamil, Urdu, whatever. So almost all languages are here. So we can simply choose our language. Like if it is even in Hindi, so we can select Hindi. So all letters will be selected automatically: Hindi, Gujarati, and Greek, and everything. Catch Google search terms. So catch Google search terms and auto update ranks and some more settings are here. You can explore all these things. And daily report mail to can be sent to a specific mail. If you want to have reports on daily basis on a mail, you can type email ID here and you can check with the same checking a test mail. Email translation you can use, and dashboard keyword screen height you can set and all. So it is a very useful setting, and you have to do this very first time, and from the next time you can simply go to the get dashboard for getting the results. Now I must tell you here, the system will automatically bring the keywords through which your website is ranking under 100. However, you can add keywords manually as well. Like if I have added one keyword, since it is a very demo installation, this website don't have any ranking on the search engine results, of course. So this is just a demo installation. But yes, your website might having some ranking at search engine, and if you are not sure, you can add keywords, your focus keywords manually here. So you can simply click on the add keywords, and you can put your keywords one by one, and from the domain or exact URL or group general or new group, you can group the keywords as well. So it is again your choice how you want to check the keywords, And if you are not adding any keyword, so it will automatically bring those keywords here that is already ranked under 100 on your selected parameters. So it is really very important how you want to proceed for testing the keywords. Again, so plugin updates a single keyword in each 6 minutes and will try to update a new after certain seconds. So it is regularly being checked. And again, so rank chats can be seen here, rank records can be seen here. So all such details will be coming up here. And further, you can check the reports by all sites, just in case if you have multiple sites, so you can generate the report. And this is a very interactive reporting system. So it is went up and the went down reports. So actually it is going to show you how keyword is ranking and how it is moving in top positions or top 10 or top 100. So it is really very helpful in understanding the keyword targeting and even you can download the results and you can set the parameters from which 1 month, 2 month, or you can accordingly generate the report. So it is very good. Keyword research. So I always used to say we are using external tools for researching the keywords, but here it is another advantage. We can have digital marketing. Like this is a website for digital marketing. So we can have this keyword research feature and here without any additional payment. So it is inbuilt feature. And if I have selected 3 keywords or more keywords according to my website content and my business services, so I can show the list and we can find the keyword list here. And keyword tool had, so it is clearly keyword tool has found 10 plus keywords from the term digital marketing. So it is going to help you in selecting the relevant keyword that is applicable for your business. So if you are typing any word, it is going to suggest all those words. So it is really good feature again, and you can have more and more keywords that is relevant for your website. Okay, so and settings we have already done, and there is log service as well. So like if you are running cron jobs and all, so you can check all these logs. So Rankie is a very perfect plugin that can help you in understanding the keyword ranking for your business website. Some more features that you are going to have with this plugin: you can track WordPress ranking on Google, generate keyword ranking reports, keyword ranking report, keyword research tool. I have already shown you all these things. All languages is already supported. Auto track the search keywords and 4 different methods for locating the position. So you can use the Google directly or Google custom search API, Google via App Secure or key proxy. So daily report mail, you can have ranking graph for each keyword. So this is also ranking graphs should be here. Okay. So easy filtration and proxy support, dedicated action log. So all these features has been included very commercially, very professionally in this Rankie WordPress keyword rank tracker, and you have to buy the plugin through the video description link if you really want to have a serious and authentic traffic. You have to work on the keywords, and the complete course of WordPress SEO is available and going to be available on this channel. So don't miss to subscribe this channel. So it is a very, very important thing to have a suitable ranking and the perfect traffic at your website so that you may get maximum conversion for your business. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.